Hi guys, I'm Seb, head bartender and mixologist at Gin & Tonic, and I'm here today to teach you an all-time favorite and an all-time classic, the Negroni. So the Negroni, well, that's a cocktail which literally needs no introduction. It's been a top seller and an all-time favorite since its creation in the early 1900s. There are a lot of stories and a lot of rumors about how the drink actually came into place. One of the stories, and my personal favorite version, goes back in 1919 in Florence, Italy. There we have entrepreneur Count Camille Negroni drinking his favorite drink, the Americano, at the Cassioni bar. One day he asked the bartender if he can make his Americano a bit stronger just by switching the soda water to gin. Smart man. So the bartender did just that. He's changed the soda water to gin, but to coat his new creation, he garnished it with a slice of orange. Thus, the Negroni was born. It survived the ages, mostly due to the perfect balance between bitterness, botanical, and sweet. It's one of those drinks in which the beauty lies in simplicity. We have 3 equal parts, and we're gonna start it off with gin. In this case, I'm gonna be using Gin & Tonic Mediterranean gin, Mercato gin, with fresh thyme, rosemary, and basil. All the Italian herbs. We're gonna go ahead and add 25 ml of that to a rocks glass. Next, we're gonna soften up the spirit with 25 ml of sweet red vermouth. Last but not least, we're gonna bring bitterness to the mix. So originally, Campari was used for this, but I'm gonna go ahead and add a more botanical version, a Gran Classico. Three equal parts, nothing more, nothing less. When Count Camillo Negroni first tried the new creation, he was so impressed with it that straight away he launched a pre-batched version. So he was literally selling Negroni by the bottle. That's how it first actually came into market. We got all 3 ingredients in, and we're just gonna give that a few stirs. It's beautiful. So as you're sipping the drink, it will change flavor. As the ice melts, the flavor stretches and it allows even more botanical to get through. So we're gonna garnish that with just a slice of orange to complement the vermouth in there and also to cut through the sharp bitterness. So there we have it. Bittersweet botanical, Negroni, classic and classy. Enjoy.